Welcome back to AJ Kitchen Paper. Today we are looking at Matcha Pannacotta. This is actually inspired by Shokugeki no Soma, or Food Wars. So grab your favorite matcha powder and let's dive in. So grab a medium-sized saucepan and let's get started. Pop in 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, 4 tablespoons of sugar, a couple of shakes of vanilla essence. Realize that you only put 2 tablespoons of sugar in there, so shove the rest in. And now for what makes up the bulk of our panna cotta, 300 ml of cow milk. In it goes. To bring up a 30-year-old ad, got milk, and over to the flame. So while slowly whiskety-whisking everybody together, we're going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of gelatin, and we're just going to whisk everybody in on a very low heat. And then 180 ml of fresh cream. That is going straight to these hips. But if you eat too much of this, you will feel sick, so be careful. Now that everybody's nicely melty, we're going to prop everything through a strainer for good measure. Be careful not to burn your fingies. And we're just going to gently ladle in our lovely little mixture into our serving cup. We definitely did not buy this cup for this very specific purpose, and I don't use it every day. And into the fridge for at least 2 hours to let set.
1 eternity later.
It's now 6 hours later and we're not really sure if it sets, but we fear no one. So let's just have a crack, shall we? Spoon on some hand whipped cream, because really, who doesn't need a forearm workout every time they want whipped cream? And some very adorable mint leaves. Precision placing with some tweezers, and she's ready for Instagram. Now I think it's time that we destroyed this little cutie with a nice taste test. This is a really nice dessert, but I'm going to be very real with you. Don't eat too much of it. You feel really sick after it. There's a lot of cream in here. So let me suggest a smaller cup might be a good idea for this recipe. But this is a really simple, easy recipe that's actually super delicate and refined. But maybe if you're having a dinner party, you can try this one out. Now it's my turn to grab my cup from the fridge. Till next time.